Hey now, we're going to be trying something a little bit different today. We're going to be talking about a topic over the restoration. If you have any questions about the process we're doing, drop a comment below. We'll be happy to help you out, but it's labeled below as usual. But what I want to talk about today is how to use cast iron and the temperature. A lot of people probably heat the pan up too much, myself included. And really, you probably got to use less heat than you think you actually need to. So like if you're going to cook an egg, I would almost go down on low. You'll see at the end of this video that the pan's a little bit too hot, and you'll see it bubble up. You don't want it to bubble, so for it to get like that, it's basically needs to be on a low heat. And for searing a steak, you'd think, okay, you want to be on the highest you can. Well, you want a hot pan, yes, but it's like medium high works great. You just want that oil to smoke a tiny bit, whatever oil you're using. But I think when you first start out using cast iron, use less heat than you think you're going to need with whatever you're cooking. You can always turn it up. Yeah, you want to get that good sear, but especially with an egg, you're gonna see what I mean when you cook an egg. And pay attention then. You'll see that the egg will bubble, and it'll you could see that it wants to stick, but ended up not, which is nice. If the pan had been hot, more hot, it would have definitely stuck, 100%. But it also helps to have one of these nice pans. These lodges really are great pans. This is a lodge, yeah. If you can get one of these lodges in a store, just grab it. Even like a 3-notch, these are just great. They're smooth, they're milled down, they're just as good as any other pan. But hope you guys enjoyed. If this video helped you or you liked it, to give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down, drop a comment below, and we'll catch you next time. Also, if you're still there and listening, when I was talking about pans and heat earlier, these vintage pans are a lot thinner than newer pans, except for like Griswold. Those are pretty heavy duty, but even some of their older ones are pretty thin. But the older you get, they're very light and thin. They get hotter way quicker. The thicker ones take a little bit longer to get hot, but when they're hot, they're hot. Something you got to get used to with the pan you're using. But just something to think about when you're out there picking. Anyway, take care.